Messe 26 was an absolute blast for us. We showed what a true off-the-shelf operator interface really feels like. Granular insights in real time. Shop floor first design. A tool that's actually usable. The reaction said it all. Wait, this is live? Why does this look so simple? You mean operators actually like using this? Yes, there's a new software era arriving on the shop floor. Not heavier, not more complex, just better.
Come on!
We're blown away by the incredible interest in our product and the constant buzz around our booth. Big thanks to everyone who stopped by, challenged us, laughed with us, and had those brutally honest conversations. If you're considering digitizing your production, now is the time to act. Let's talk.